How to download other people's Instagram stories. Downloading other people's Instagram stories is quite easy and simple. Launch Instagram app on your device. Ensure to log in or sign in to your particular account and open any random user's Instagram story which you want to download to your gallery. When you open it, tap on three dots at top right corner of the screen. Here is no any option. Tap airplane icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Here is also no any particular option, but there is an alternative way. Simply take a screenshot of this particular story. Once you have taken a screenshot it, get back from this user's page. Now tap your story at top left corner of the screen and add the same story. Customize the story, and if you wish to mention, you can easily mention this user for permission. Now tap three dots at top right corner of the screen. Now tap the Save button. Once it is done, the photo has been successfully saved to your gallery. In this way, only you can download other people's Instagram stories to your gallery. There is no any other alternative way to do. So I hope this video worked. If this video was helpful, then hit the like button, share, and comment. Subscribe for more tech and tips.